Thank you for visiting our channel. Today I came out to review and also quick unbox this awesome looking earbuds. This is called GoFree 2 and it's created by a company called Soundspeat. This is an awesome jam-packed with Bluetooth 5.3, that means connected to two devices at the same time, and also this is over-the-ear wireless earbuds. I have to mention that this has noise cancellation, plus it has a gaming mode and more. I do not want to forget, if you haven't subscribed to our channel, click the subscribe button. Make sure you share this with your friends and family. Make sure you click the notification icon, select all in order to get notified once we have a new video out. On top of that, if you have a question, drop them at the bottom of the video. We love to help you out ASAP. And don't forget to click the like button. It really motivates us to make these type of videos quickly with a little more detail every time. In here are all the components that are part of the box. It does come with a paper that will show you information about the app itself. So this way you can get it, install it on your phone or tablet, and that way you can take advantage of it. Very easy to process. It also comes with this user manual. This is very detailed user manual, and going through it gives you some different languages. And then when you look on the side, it will tell you how you will be able to connect to the phone itself. And then going next is how you will be able to turn it on. Also, it has some touch base and we will test that out. And on top of that, it has more information on each of the control, also question and answer. And there is more information in it, all going to be available in this user manual. It also comes with this charging cable, which is USB Type-C to regular USB Type-A, and you will be able to charge your docking station very fast. And here is the actual docking station. Now it has been wrapped so this way it doesn't get scratched up, but once you open it, that's how it opens. And when you look into it, it looks beautiful how this has been designed. Have their logo right on the top, and when you look in the front, you have this nice cut. It really looks like if you turn it on, it will light up, but it doesn't. And go around, there is the charging port, which is USB Type-C. And then when you go on the bottom, there's no writing to it. So they try to make it as minimize or minimum information written on it as possible to make it really slick. So there's the actual logo. But once you open the front, this is how the inside looks. I really like that they put their actual company name right inside of it, and then the earbuds are sitting inside. I really like how it's been designed. And once you take it out, this is how it looks. And yes, there is a little plastic we will show you in a few seconds. And these are the charging parts on how it's going to be done. This is how slim it looks. It's not really thick, so this way it will last you way longer than has been expected. So if you want to just use the earbuds, it's roughly about 9 hours, but if you want to charge it up, this will charge you up to 36 hours as per paperwork. And then when you go into the actual earbuds or ear tips itself, when you go to it, here you go, this is how it looks, and there is a little part that you got to take out, so that way you can able to charge it up now. And same thing for the ear button, we will take that out too, and this is how it looks. So let's go from the front. You can see their name is written really nicely, their logo, and then when you go to it, this is also touchpad, and then there is some little holes, as you can see. Going around, you have another one, and then the actual speaker. Going down, there's another one, and then you also have the charging bit, and there is a little sensor that is right there, and then this goes behind your ear. We will show you how to wear this in a couple of seconds, but this is how it really looks on this part of the ear. And then when you go to the next one, same thing, you have the speaker, and then you have the mic, which is right over here. When you flip it on this side, you're going to get the same thing right over here. And then when you flip around, this is the touchpad. I really like how it's been designed. And then this part is also the speaker on where you will be able to see it. And then this part is also really nicely done. And this is going behind the ear. All right, enough said about it. Let's hook it up to an ear to show you how it really looks. So here you go. What I did is I brought a demo here. So this way we know exactly how this will be fitting at the back. So once you have it, you got to go around and then you got to bring it in the back. You can see it right in the back, sits there. And then this will go inside. Or you can make it so it goes a little bit down And that is how it should be wearing. You should be able to wear it. And then going on the other side, same thing. We will just flip it and then go around, and then you can make it so it kind of angles. And this way, it is not going to really bother you on how this will really look on your ear. It looks beautiful on how this is going to sit behind your ear, and then same thing on the other side. It is not really going to bother you that much because there is gaps, and you will be able to hear other people talking while you're listening to your music or a phone call. On top of that, this is going to be not that loud once you're listening to music. So give and take roughly about 45 to 51% of sound, then other people can hear it. We will test it out in a couple of minutes, but let's just go next. To charge up the docking station, you don't really need to grab the actual wire. You can use your phone charger also to go to it and just hook it up. It takes a couple of seconds and you will be able to see the LED light right in the front. So that means is right now the docking station is getting charged. Now if you want to charge the actual earbuds itself, you just have to open, take the earbud, and then we will be able to just place it back, and it has a little magnet and it just sits. So that means is right now this one is start getting charged. And then same thing for the other ear. We will take it off and we will set it down. As simple as that. Now it is charging. Now in order to get this paired with a phone, let's do that right now. Alright, for this part of the video, we will be using one of the other phones. So for that, first we will go down, scroll down, and then press the Bluetooth. And then we will see that it says that it's searching. And then we will take the earbud off and take one of them out. And as soon as you take it out, and here's the name, it says Soundspeat GoFree 2. We will select it. And you will get the little pop-up. You gotta say pair. And as you can see, it is connected and it is 100% charge. So once you go to the little wheel, it will tell you the name right on the top that this is the proper one. And then if we look down a little bit, then it will tell you that you are connected as call audio, and there's a new feature in the bottom that will tell you that you can get a higher quality sound out of the earbuds itself. And if you look right in the bottom, you still have the rename, disconnect, and unpair as usual with most of Android phones. Now in this part of the video, we are testing to see which earbud will work in order for you to pause or unpause the video itself. So the right one does not work, but when you go to the left one and you press it twice, you can see that it pauses the video. And then when you press it again twice, it unpauses. So how easy that is to process, and then that way it will work for you just tapping on the earbuds itself. In this part of the video, we will be testing to see how good the sound quality will be when you're receiving a call and when you're talking over the phone itself. So for that, we have our recorder. There's going to be a little indentation here saying that the sound is coming from the actual earbuds through the phone in order for you to know. So for that, we will start recording right now. And this is how it sounds when you are talking on the phone. So how easy it is to process it and then go next. So this one is basically how it sounds when you're on the phone and there's nobody around you. So let's try the same thing, processing it with some background noise and see how it will change to get this going. So with the background noise, this is how it sounds when you are in some sort of a coffee shop or somewhere and you want to listen to music, or you're going to be talking on the phone. This is how it's going to sound, and it will pick up our voice. So this was our next test. So that's how this part really worked out and sounded. And I'm just going to put that as a raw file for you guys so you guys can do the calculation and saying that if it sounds good or it does not sound good. Now, I don't want to forget and let you know that when you are listening to music, it really going to hear everything in detail. One thing I have to mention is when you are going to go to workout or outside, you pick up a call, it's very clear. But if you are going to be in a really loud and noisy environment, yeah, bring up your volume. Nobody's going to hear anyways because it's too loud. And that way you can hear your calls and music without any issues. And on top of that, the way that they have been designed, it is not really going to block your full ear, so you can hear everything around you and surrounding. But if you are going to be in a quiet area and you want to listen to music, or you want to play video game on your phone or on a console, connect this and it will work perfectly. You do not have to worry about disconnecting your phone and then connecting to that device. It automatically just connects and it will work out for you perfectly. All the links will be available where you can order it from, except that this was our take. I hope you guys like our video. If you do like it, click the like button, subscribe button on the top, comment on the bottom. Always remember to visit our own website, which is exitex.info. Like us on Facebook, follow us on Twitter, Instagram, and other social networking places. And thank you.